Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome to Smash Our Stash, where each month we bring you a video with a theme. This month is loose sheets of paper, and you may have seen earlier in this week I went through a bin of 12 by 12 and decluttered it. I also found another one later and did that. Here are some sheets of paper. I think these are all from the other one, not actually from the one you saw on camera. I'm not sure. I went through and said, okay, if I want these 6 by 6s, did I want them to be cards or ephemera? I wanted them to be ephemera, so I just made them into ephemera. These were some cute sheets that someone had happy mailed me. I just folded them in half. One of them I rounded the edges on. Here's another one out of that same paper, and I put this little Tim Holtz girl on her. And this one, I have a bin of, you know how you set things aside and you're going to make ephemera and then so we started using some of it. The Tim Holtz people were in there. Here's another one. And a bunch of these borders. I kept the vintage ones and donated a bunch of bright glittery ones. This will be a journal card and a pocket. So these are all ephemera. Then I made envelopes with some really wild papers that are white on the other side. And my friend Nancy reminded me that sometimes we just like to leave them so you can open them and journal in them. I will decide as I put these in journals if I want to glue it together as an envelope, or I want to stick it in a pocket and make it so you can write in it, or maybe I want to glue it to the page, have it fastened somehow, but still, with like a little tuck spot right here, but have it still open up so you could journal in it. So I left those flexible. This paper was part of a loose sheet, and I said, okay, it's time. And I decided I wanted to make it a pocket. It was one of those pieces of paper where I was like, oh, I'm going to do something with this. And then this one, that's how far I got, but you can see it's going to be a pocket of some sort. These were strips of fabric that were sitting around, and I was like, oh, I'm going to chop up a bit more. So these will be pockets on a page, and I was just looking for a color that worked with them. So I was using the loose sheet that was there. And then I kept finding loose sheets that kind of had a color theme, and I thought, I haven't made a journal in a while. Then I had this in my stash, and I was eyeing it for Clear It Out, and I thought, let's make a journal. Loose sheets with just a touch of this Simple Stories collection, but I only have the Simple Stories collection in, I think it's a 4x8 pad, and a whole bunch of the pages have full-size things like this. Life is sweeter with you. Cute, but what am I going to do with that? So that's going to be the pocket in the middle. I'll probably punch a thing out round the corners. Maybe you never know about me. That'll be the middle. And then I have some cute sheets. Then I just went through my loose sheets. I really wanted to use this. Do you carry these around from, when did we get these? Come on, 90s? They're great for a scrapbook page. And then maybe you have some and you're like, what am I going to do with them? So it's going to be a page in my journal. I feel like that was probably the inspiration point for this whole journal. I wanted to use that loose sheet. Then I went through and found things. This mint one's kind of a stretch. These are more neutral. And I found papers that I thought, I could make these work. I'm going to line them up and stitch them together sometime. And then you'll probably see this in Clear It Out. I'll just move it over to there because in Smash Our Stash, we have a new theme every month and it's a big group. So I don't want to take over and be a rebel in the collaboration. This is a great example. This is going to be an adorable journal. When it's done, you're going to be like, oh, that's so cute. These were loose sheets that I went through and said, oh, this will work. This was kind of rowdy on the other side. It had some reddish down here, but this part of it, great colors for this. And I need to start making some more journals because what I have found as I've been decluttering my room is I have so much ephemera made. Not necessarily purchased, not necessarily pre-purchased, but pre-made. It's time to start using it up. So that is Smash Our Stash for this month. And my apologies for not finishing this journal. If you've been following along with me, you know that I am dismantling my craft room. If you've been missing that, just go back and find, updates from last month and just start watching all the way through, because in each video I'm showing you bits of what I'm doing, and there was decluttering drawers and emptying things. You would not believe what's going on up in here. Be sure to check out our other friends. Smash Our Stash is a playlist collaboration now, so you can use the link instead of having to mess with hashtags. Those are not perfect yet. we still have a ways to go on YouTube tightening those up. I hope you got some inspiration and you can make cute stuff with those loose sheets that are in your stash. And you'll see, if you didn't see that 12 by 12, I got rid of a ton. I said, I can make something with this, but do I want to? Does it bring me joy? And if it didn't bring me joy, it went. Thanks for watching. Come along with me and check out the other videos now, because Smash Our Stash, everybody makes fun stuff, and it's so great to see what people come up with every month. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.